Kindergartners, Miss Cornell with another video for you on a science experiment for push and pull. You just learned so much about motion and about forces that allow for motion to happen, which is push and pull. So in this experiment, it's going to be a little different than my other experiments. This video is just simply going to let you know the materials you're going to need for this week's science experiment. This week's science experiment is not going to be done through the video. It's going to be done through a Google Hangouts that you'll have with me. You'll come with your materials and we'll get ready to experiment some push and pull cool experiment on Wednesday. So hope to see you then. Bye. Okay, boys and girls, your science question for today for the experiment is going to be to make a prediction about this scientific question. What happens if you push and pull a pencil from a Ziploc bag full of water? Okay, boys and girls, I just want you to think. What do you think is going to happen if I push this pencil in the Ziploc bag full of water? What's going to happen if I pull this pencil out? Can you talk to a family member at home or a stuffed animal and make your prediction? I predict. Come ready with your predictions before we do our science experiment. First, you're going to need a Ziploc bag. Next, you're going to need water, a sharpened pencil. The last thing you're going to need is your Chromebook and link to the Google Hangouts for Wednesday. See you Wednesday for your science experiment, kindergartners.